Let's have a look at the Crkt booth. It's always a good time. Let's have a look at some of the Forged by War series. These are designed by veterans. Alright, we're having a look at the Clever Girl fixed blade. Beautiful handles. Got holes going straight through the handle. Zeph serrations. That is one fierce looking blade, guys. Clever Girl. Here's a look at the Shlut. Stiletto-y. Check that out. Here's a look at the fixed bladed version. Zeph serrations. It looks like it pivots, but it's fixed. Duhawk, massive flipper karambit. Oh. Yep, that's a big one. Here's a look at the new aluminum Provoke. Foldable karambits. And for those that don't like the karambit style, they got just a regular straight blade for you. Guys, check out the twist tie. Carbon fiber aluminum out of the frame, out of the front, however you want to say it. Absolutely gorgeous. Check that color out. Also available in all black or like a green coloring. Look how that picks up the light. Fidgety. And it looks like they got a couple of new M16s crossbar lock. There's a Tonto version. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. There's the pup. Smaller design. Liner lock. Little flipper lever at the top. Here is the Hang Tighe mini fixed blade. Tough, durable, and lightweight. This thing's going to be practically unbreakable. Over to the Viento. Flipper lever. It's quick. You got fullers cut there. Nice little bolster. G10. That is a Ford blade right there. Q Compact. Perfect lightweight EDC. Flipper lever. You're not even going to notice carrying that in your pocket. Very slim, lightweight. Of course, this blade's going to have a lot of utility. Good blade shape. Guys, have a look at the new Minimalist. Look at these gorgeous micarta handles. Thick blade stock. Look at that blade shape. Neck knife, fixed blade. They've updated the squid with a push button. Seems to be a thing going around. Everybody loves push buttons. And of course they had to do it to the Squid XM. Look at that matching color on the button. Here is a thin one. This is the Ibis. Flipper lever, D2 steel, G10 scales, back spacer with a lanyard hole. Oh, almost cut myself there. Look at that. Nice little dip here for your finger. Alright, this is the straight, the smaller knife. Super thin and lightweight. Back spacer, thumb studs, frame lock. Let me see if I can flick this open. This is such a tiny knife. Yeah. I like that blade angle. Have a look at this craziness, guys. Blade lock, you got to push down on that to close it. Oop, let me get that in focus. There you go. Gorgeous. You got to push down on that to open it. That is a different knife. Oh, check it out, guys. If you're into bamboozled, now it is assisted Black on black. Bolster in the front. Looks like G10 in the back. Tonto in the front. That is quick. And for all of you home front fans, it now comes in a compact size.